Hey peeps, welcome to day 15 of my 30-day YouTube challenge where I tell you a little bit about myself through my photographs. Today is a moment about 4th grade, and before I tell you that, I was going through my photos and I realized that I didn't see Greg in the picture, the boy I told you about having my first boy crush. So he might have left during 3rd grade or something, but anyway, the story I'm about to tell you just did have me laughing last night thinking about it and what happened. And I don't know why I did this, but it had just rained at school and there was a puddle of water. Since the school was all asphalt, there was no grass there. And as I was walking by the puddle, there was a girl walking in the other direction, and for whatever reason I decided to splat on the water, or splash the water, however you say it, and I, just to get her wet. And my teacher, Sister Jean Marie, who's a cool nun, she saw it, and as a punishment she told me that I had to go out during recess and pick up 50 pieces of paper. This is when I realized I was smart. So I went out and I picked up one piece of paper and I ripped it into 50 little pieces. And so I was back in class, or I brought them back to her, and she just gave me that look, you little shit. She knew I was smart too, because I was a really good math kid at that point. But anyway, it had me laughing really hard last night. And also, this was my last year at Assumption Elementary School, because after that we would be moving to Pico Rivera. And I'll tell you a little story either tomorrow or the following day about that. It was a big moment in our lives. So thanks for listening, and don't splash on water when somebody's walking by. Bye guys.